What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So I totally forgot about this video, and I'm just trying to clear my phone because 2023 I want to go. I have a new structure. I have new planning. So I'm trying to get rid of all the old videos that I've made in my phone that I haven't gotten the chance to edit to upload. So that is what I'm working on. So, Team Fullest, welcome to it. So, if you guys have watched one of my old videos, I will pin it for you guys in the top. I show you guys how I was planting this potato, and now it's time to harvest. If you guys like videos like this, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know what you think in the comment box. Like, I love multiple things. There's so much things that I like to do. I like to work in the garden. I like to do crochet. I love so many things. There's so many things that I like to do. I like organizing. Like, I just like looking for something to do. I like keeping myself busy. And one of the things that I truly enjoy doing is working in the gardens, planting stuff. I really enjoy playing with the dirt sometimes. No, not always. Sometimes I do. I just liked it. So today is time for harvest, and I had one. I had two bags of potato that I planted, but I've already harvested one with the kids. We made something really nice that the kids wanted to make, and so today I'm going to harvest this one because it's getting colder, and I thought let me just harvest it and make something delicious with it. So I'm just going to figured. I planted I think only three potatoes. Only three potatoes. And from three potatoes, I get all of this. This is beautiful. Like, so I'm going to recycle the dirt, also the potato, the leaves, the strand. I'm going to put it into my compost bag, and I'm going to make compost out of that. So also when I cook in the kitchen, like when I cut vegetables, when I eat fruit, when I do anything that can be compost, I do compost them and then use it again in my garden. So I do this every year, and then so that the next year summer I have like really rich fresh compost to put on my new plants. So yeah, I love making my own compost. Yeah, I don't do it big because I don't have like a really big compost container, but I'm looking forward to buy one. There's this one I saw. It's quite a little bit expensive. It's not expensive, but because I do have something that I'm using and it's not a priority, it's not compulsory, so it's a bit expensive. If it's something that I needed really badly, I'll just buy it. But I'm not in a hurry, so I'm like, it's expensive. Expensive is just the excuse of me not getting it. So I'm going to recycle that dirt, and later, when my compost is ready, I will take the compost that is ready and I will mix it with with this dirt, just to make the dirt a little bit richer and fresher, and looks good, so that at least I can plant my next my next food. So I'm just gonna clear up, clean, and just clean, run everything up, put everything, and then I'm going to the kitchen to cook. So gardening, walking in the garden, playing with dirt, it's something I love doing, especially with the girls. I love doing it with the girls, and I love doing it on my own. So sometimes I kind of bring my kids into it. So now that this is ready, I'm just going to allow it to sit, and I'm going to the kitchen and I'm going to be cooking my potatoes. So this is the potato that I harvest. I've already washed it, and these are all my ingredients, and everything is ready. I'm going to boil the potato. I have everything, and I'm going to cook like, if you live in Holland, we call it like stamppot, but because I'm not really a fan of the typical Dutch stamppot, I like to make it my own way. But I really love mixing mashed potato with spinach and make some sauce and eat it with it. So that is what I'm going to do. Um, I'm going to be using chicken and shrimps. I've already seasoned this. So actually I seasoned the chicken and shrimps like last night, like 24 hours before ever cooking, because I like that is how I like to cook. I like to season my meats at least 24 hours ahead, so that when you are cooking, when you are eating, you can just taste the deliciousness inside the bone of the meat. So yeah, so I'm going to allow the potato to boil, and I've already put my oil. I'm going to fry my onions just a little bit, because I want to fry a little bit of onions with the meat. So now I'm adding my chicken and shrimps, and this is the sauce that I use to season it is just I kind of blend pepper, um, Maggi, and like different seasoning, just blend everything and then use it to steam. So now I'm just going to mix this with the onions, and then I'm going to allow this one to steam. When everything is steam, I'm going to add the rest of the other vegetables. As you guys can see, I love the way it looks. It smells so good. It smells really good and it tastes delicious. You can actually eat this sauce with anything. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with yam, you can eat it with whatever you want to eat it with. But today I want to eat it with stampot, with a little bit of mashed potato and spinach mixed with the mashed potato. So that's what I'm craving today. That's what I was really craving on this day. So I thought, yeah, let me just do it. So now I've added all the vegetables into the meat. I'm just gonna mix it, and then you're gonna allow it to steam. You guys to see the shrimps. I love shrimps. Shrimps is my favorite. I love the colors, like just watching in the pan, just looking at the pan, and you can see the green pepper, the yellow pepper, the red pepper. I don't know, it just does something to my mouth. I just like it. So now I'm gonna add my seasoning. I have this cooking season that I purchased. I don't use them often, but I'm trying to use it because I'm almost like running out of the expiring date is coming. Like next year, 2023 is going to be expired. So I'm trying to use this a lot. So I've been using it a lot on my cooking, so at least my money does not waste. Because normally I like to buy the small mini blocks, and yeah. So now I'm just going to mix everything, and then you're just gonna allow it to steam. So whilst that is going to steam, I'm going to focus on the potato. The potato is ready, as you guys can see. I'm not gonna make it like really, really mashed potato. It still do have some texture. You can still see some of the textures on the potato. I just like it like this. You can add a little bit of butter if you want to, but I don't really want to add any butter, so I'm just going to mash it like that. And the kids are going to also eat it because they really liked it. My daughter, she likes mashed potato with spinach, baby spinach, mixed with it. And I also made some salad because I wanted to eat something different. And I also make some salad, and you guys can see the potato is not like super like very mush. It also have some texture in it, and I love it. So I'm just going to mix the potato with the spinach, add all the spinach. Like, I don't know, I really like spinach. I like to cook with spinach. I like making spinach juice. I like to juice the water out of spinach. It's very healthy. They have different type of spinach, but this what I'm using is baby spinach. You have wild spinach. I love using wild spinach to make juice, but this particular spinach I just like to make smoothie with it, or mix it with mashed potatoes. So this is it. This is what the mashed potato is looking like. And now I'm going to check. I've already done all the dishes, so now the food is ready. This how hungry I was. I was really hungry, and not hungry, but I just had so much appetite to eat this. I was just hungry for this food. So I'm like, I'm not gonna wait for the kids, because it wasn't dinner time yet, actually. But I was like, I'm not gonna wait. I'm just going to eat because now I'm hungry. Let me just eat, because sometimes my appetite goes up and down, up and down. There's some days that I really feel like eating a lot, and there's some days that I can be the whole day and I don't feel like eating. So the days that the appetite is there to eat, God have mercy, I eat. I eat a lot. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the sauce. You can put the sauce on top of the mashed potato and spinach if you want to, but I like to put it aside. As you guys can see, I am fishing out all the shrimp, the chicken. I'm just fishing everything out. That's how much I love shrimp. And now I'm going to also add a little bit of the salad on the same plate. You can put the salad on a different plate if you want to, but I'm just craving this combination here. So yeah, this is it, Team Fullest. I hope you all like this video. It feels so good when you grow your own food and you get to eat it. It just feels good. And trust me, this potato tastes way different than the ones you buy in the store. When you grow your own food at home and compared to the ones you buy in the store, it tastes absolutely different, and I just love it. So now I'm just going to wrap everything, cover it, so that when the kids are ready to eat, they can eat. I am going to be eating now because I'm just craving this food. Yeah, so Team Fullest, this is it. Let me know what you think in the comment box. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you all on my next video. Let me know what you think. Are you someone that likes to plant your own food? Peace out, dude.